Welcome back. In previous task we learned how to create this Facebook post. In this task we are going to prepare this Facebook post for publishing. So complete the above steps before moving on. Before we publish this post, let's lock this particular element. So click on this background, single click on it. You can see the blue color line here. Single click on it. On the upper right corner you can see lock element. Click on lock. So once you click on lock, what happens is you can see the icon, lock icon on this particular element. So with the help of this feature, what happens is if you are doing complicated design or if you are collaborating with many people around this design, so the modification does not apply for this particular element. If you want to modify this particular element, if you want to change the background color of this, again you need to unlock this by clicking on lock feature, unlock it, then only you can do modification to this particular background. So now let's publish this Facebook post. If you want to see how it looks, so click on play. Here you can see this is how it looks, all the animated images and all you can see. Again, if I click on play again, you can see how this Facebook post looks. Now you click outside so that we can go back to our previous design. Now we have two options. Either from Canva itself you can directly post it to the Facebook. So by clicking on publish to Facebook, click on this. Here it will ask you to connect to Facebook. So once you do connection, click on this connect Facebook. Once you click on this, it will redirect you to facebook.com. There you have to enter your username and password and then you can publish this post. Or else there is a one more option. You can click on this download option. Here, since I'm using animated images, you have to download it as MP4 video and click on download. And if you don't want that animated images to show up, you can click on PNG and you can click on download button. So before doing that, let's rename this Facebook post by single clicking on this because it has taken the default name. Single click on it and select this complete text with the help of Command A for Mac and Control A for Windows and name here as sample Facebook post. And click outside. Here download it as PNG. So remember, if you download it as PNG, these animated images doesn't show up. It means the animation does not show up, but the images will show up. Okay, and you can click on download. So congratulations, we prepared this particular Facebook post for publishing. In next task, we will see how to create YouTube thumbnail.